see what I'm friggin' doing here. I got these stupid glasses on. There, Teflon tape. Gotta put on your plumber's helpers Teflon tape. We're doing the last step here. We're putting in the over limit pressure valve, which is rated at 30 pounds. Pliers. Slip joint pliers. Automatic slip joint pliers. Anyways, that's good enough. So, I already turned the water on a tiny bit. But I got a valve here on the floor. Real good, huh? That one's on. That one's on. These are open. Let's see what happens if I open this. Nothing. What about this one? Oop, got water there. Had an oil spill here yesterday. I had a container with some heating oil in it, and I tapped it with my toe, and the whole bottom fell out. Deli Cat. I wonder if it's got peanut butter in it. I think this has been here for 10 years. Best before... who knows? Anyhow. So, turning my water on. Try this one. See what happens. Whoop. Got life. Got leaks? Hope not. Oh, somebody just farted. I hate leaks. Oh, look at that. We got pressure. See, the bottom gauge is pressure. We've got about 10 pounds of pressure. Let's open the top one up and keep the circulation in circulation. Not much there. What else can we do here? Create some commotion. Valves are all open. Huh. Turn the circulating pump on, maybe? Oh, hear it? These are the one-way valves. There's a weight inside here that prevents the water from circulating on its own hydronically, the way Model Ts used to be cooled. Hot water would rise and suck the cold air back through the radiator into the bottom. So these have weights inside. Just a weight that just lifts up and drops down. When the circulating pump starts up, it lifts up the weight. And they rattle. I'll turn off the circulation pump. I'll turn it off, you'll hear the weight drop. You can't hear it, the water, I guess, cushions it. But it's rattling. It's the weight inside rattling. It should be a spring, but this spring probably rusted away. Oh, a little drip here from this cheap valve. Things are happening. What I'm going to have to do now is take the garden hose off and bleed a little air to the system on the return side. A little complicated, but I'll block off the water supply and force water through the whole system. Maybe I'll do it over here. Gotta call my brother and see how Matt is doing, my nephew. Hopefully he'll be back on the basketball court soon. Or playing hockey with his brother, Ryan. There, we got some water circulating. I'll block off the return, a minute and 13 seconds left. Get the air out of the garden hose, and then we'll force the air through the entire heating system. Force water in up through the boiler. We'll trace it real quick. Through there, pressure regulator, over limit, blow off valve, water comes in here, enters the boiler. And I've got all kinds of valves and junk, and I can't explain it to you all. It's kind of complicated, but as long as we're not getting any friggin' leaks. We don't want leaks. I gotta tighten that pressure. Over limit, pop off, blow off valve like a wastegate on a turbo. Speaking of which, I gotta get one for my 62 Spider. So I didn't line that up quite perfectly. It's off by a ½ inch, but we'll let it go. I'll go have some lunch. Right to my pen pals in Guantanamo Bay before they close it down and send them all back to wherever they're going to send them to. Maybe they'll send them off to the moon. Things are happening. Yep. We got life. Valves everywhere. I forget what they all do. Oh yeah, sounds like my stomach. That's it. We're all done. Goodbye.